How to transfer data from Samsung S22 Ultra to S24 Ultra. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly transfer all your data from your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to your new S24 Ultra using Samsung Smart Switch. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare both devices. Charge both phones to at least 50%. Ensure Wi-Fi is enabled on both devices. Install Smart Switch if not pre-installed. On both phones, go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Smart Switch, or download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Connect your devices via USB cable. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect S22 Ultra to S24 Ultra. On the S22 Ultra, tap Send Data. On the S24 Ultra, tap Receive Data. Select a cable as the transfer method on both devices. Step 3. Select data to transfer. On the S24 Ultra, you will see a list of data categories, like contacts, messages, photos, apps. Choose the data you wish to transfer. Tap Transfer to begin the process. Step 4. Wait for transfer to complete. The transfer time will vary depending on the amount of the data. Keep both devices connected and avoid using them during the transfer. Once completed, you will see a confirmation message. Step 5. Finalize setup on S24 Ultra. After the transfer, disconnect the USB cable. On the S24 Ultra, follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Verify that all your data has been successfully transferred. And that's it. You successfully transferred your data from your S22 Ultra to your new S24 Ultra using Samsung Smart Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.